Hi guys, this video is part of my free SEO courses series, lesson number 3 on the Quora Spaces platform. Let's start by understanding what Quora Spaces is. Quora Space is a community-based feature that allows users to create a dedicated place for people to ask and answer questions, share information, and discuss topics of interest. To create a Quora Space, a user needs to have a Quora account and follow the steps provided by Quora. Quora Spaces and Parasite SEO. Today, Quora Spaces is successfully used by thousands of SEOs to create their Parasite pages. You can rank at the top of search results by creating your own subdomain and post completely free of charge and in any quantity. While most Parasite platforms delete user content and we SEOs are constantly losing pages that rank in the top, Quora Spaces is becoming a leader among stable platforms where you don't have to be afraid of losing your account and post. Quora Spaces takes pride of place among such stable and powerful platforms as Facebook, Medium, LinkedIn. UGC, user-generated content, is what Quora Spaces loves. You need to be here to do affiliate business. By setting up your Quora Spaces for SEO and optimizing your posts, you can leverage the power of the Quora domain to reach the top, rank for months, and earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars monthly on this platform without investment. That's right, today I will show you how to build your Parasite SEO business with Quora Spaces in 2024. Sit back, it will be very useful and interesting. You will learn how to get to the Google's top with Quora, how to replicate your competitor's success, or better yet, outrank them for the keywords you need. You'll learn how to create dozens of subdomains, hundreds of posts on the platform, and make Quora a stable source of income. I'll show you how to set up your Quora Space, give you advice, and show you how to design a sales page. After watching the video, you'll be able to create Quora Spaces better than your competitors. Some of the information in this video will be only available to members of my Parasite SEO scaling training system. So if you want to see the full video, tune in today for only $69. In the full video, I'll explain how to scale and earn consistently with Quora Spaces. I have created 10 Quora Spaces and dozens of posts in every space. I have been working regularly with Quora Spaces for almost a year now, and I've accumulated my experience, which I want to share with you as the author of the Parasite SEO Scaling Free Platforms course and the leader of a WhatsApp group of over 100 SEOs, which is part of my training system. One of my accounts with posts has been active since 2015 and it's still ranked at the top. I regularly add Quora at the list of top 10 best platforms every week in my private WhatsApp group. Join us urgently. The price is only $69. You can get everything you need for your work. First, a complete course with strategies and tactics, access to a private WhatsApp group where we discuss new platforms every day, solve problems, reach the top, and earn money from affiliate programs, access to management templates for all parasites, instructions for working with the best sites, a database of 80 best parasites which I update regularly. This is a one-time fee for access to the largest database of current knowledge about free Parasite SEO and communication with other SEOs. First of all, let's ensure that Quora Space is truly a top Parasite SEO platform. Let's look at the competitors that are ranked in Google across various niches. I'm working with Nutra. If this is convincing and you are ready to start, let's create our first Quora Space and first post on it and set everything up for both SEO and sales. I'll show you what tools you have. What you need to know about Quora Spaces right now. You create a subdomain and it ranks separately from your posts. Google indexes your subdomain and posts. Moreover, the main page of your subdomain contains links to your post. The more posts you have, the more text content you have for the main page. From my experience, such pages often rank better than individual posts. You also have the opportunity to fill out the About section, which is part of the text content of your Quora Space. To view the full post, you need to click on the link More Your post simply opens. A separate post page with its own URL address is created in the system. Each post is indexed, and you can find it on Google and go directly to it, not just the main page of the subdomain. It might seem a bit confusing, but you should clearly understand that for SEO, you have a subdomain homepage created by Quora Space that contains the content of your post and an about section. Additionally, there are separate pages for posts that are indexed. You can generate all the content in ChatGPT and rank #1 for months. Now I'll show you how to create and design your post. The About section is used in every post and on the main page of the subdomain. Most often, I use it as an advertising area, where I give a brief description of the product and introduce a link. But on mobile, this block is hidden, and this must be taken into account because it is useless on mobile. After all, 90% of traffic comes from mobile. How to create, optimize, and design a post. Strategies for using Quora Spaces for SEO. I use 3 strategies. First, create a Quora Space with 1 post. Second, create a Quora Space with many posts. And third, private strategy, using comparative keywords related to the product. Join my course where you will be able to watch the full version of this video. First strategy, 1 post in Quora Space. You create your own subdomain and publish just 1 post on it. Create an About section. You control which posts will reach the top, what content is there, and design it for sales. This tactic helps you bring to the top exactly the post or information about the product that you want to see for the desired keywords. Second strategy, Quora Space with many posts. Everything is different here. You can publish a large number of posts, thereby covering many keywords, but Google may choose which post will appear for most of the queries you target. In other words, Google may select a canonical page from your post. You don't control which posts will reach the top, Google does. Frequently asked questions. Do I need to index Quora Spaces? Yes, this doesn't happen automatically. You need to use all the indexing methods described in my course and group for indexing Quora Spaces. How can I scale my work and publish many posts that reach to the top? To achieve this, you need to connect with my training system, Parasite SEO scaling free platforms, and choose tactics for stable operation and scaling. These strategies are covered in my lessons. Task Quora delete content in Quora Spaces. If you're not posting any unauthorized content, then no, your reviews about your products will not be deleted. Can the platform lose its SEO weight? Quora Spaces is only growing. It's a popular domain and Q&A platform, and its rankings are consistently stable. Can I build my business using only Quora Spaces? Absolutely. You can create several accounts for Parasite SEO because we never do everything under one account. With a powerful strategy, you can create hundreds of posts and dozens of subdomains, all of which will reach the top if you know what you're doing and follow the strategies outlined in my course. Are there statistics on visits to my post? Yes, you can track the statistics of each post. What is the difference between Quora Spaces and regular account? Quora Space is a dedicated community for a specific topic or interest, created and managed by a group of users. On the other hand, an individual account on Quora is for personal use to ask and answer questions on various topics. I enjoy working with Quora because I can consistently scale with affiliate marketing. I create posts about many products and they all reach a great audience and generate sales because Quora's editor allows for beautiful formatting and people trust Quora. Do you still have questions about using Quora Spaces for Parasite SEO? Ask them under this video and quickly connect with my training system if you want to use Quora Spaces for your SEO business and make good money on this and many other platforms. I provide a strategy, all the necessary knowledge, templates and instructions without which your work with Parasite SEO will not be effective. Sign up today for just $69 and you'll get access to the most powerful system for learning and working with free Parasite SEO. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I create very niche content about Parasite SEO because I make money from it myself.